Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I will introduce about the project BlockBurn. To have a detailed information about this project, we will read white paper of it. BlockBurn white paper. The content consists of introduction, business expansion, token model, game design, and roadmap. Firstly, summary. The BlockBurn gaming network is a revolutionary step forward in both cryptocurrency and the mobile app gaming industry, allowing users across the globe to plug in and play against real players for burn tokens. Players have the opportunity to develop their skills in order to earn more burn tokens, increase their chance of winning the lottery jackpot, and bringing more value of the token ecosystem. 1. Introduction. Current gaming app market. The overall global gaming market was estimated to be worth around $135 billion in 2018. The largest sector of this market figure is attributed to mobile gaming, estimated at around $63 billion, taking an impressive 47% share. Mobile is also beginning to dominate gambling, with 70% of gambling transactions now being done online. While mobile gaming and gambling are booming industries, mobile cryptocurrency gambling is scarce. BlockBurn is creating a new and innovative form of mobile gaming and gambling. Playing for cryptocurrency is a fun and engaging way. The BlockBurn Gaming Network. It is an innovative arena for both gamers and gamblers alike. The economy of the state platform will run on the burn token, allowing us users to bet their burn tokens in fun multiplayer action shooter battle gaming arenas. Users can also buy into regular BlockBurn lottery for a chance to win jackpot. Our mission is to provide a highly refined and memorable gaming experience where gambling is not the only important element. The games focus on highly entertaining and engaging gameplay, with stunning graphics, smooth animation, satisfying sound effects, and intuitive navigation. Players are able to customize their character looks, as well as purchase character upgrades using the burn token. The gaming network implements a number of functions which will incentivize and encourage the player to hold and use more burn tokens, resulting in a fuller gaming experience for the user and contributing to the overall value of the burn token. 2. Business expansion. We are working closely together with our exclusive partner Dutch Game Studio. The pinnacle of mobile gaming development of the game is underway and will release by Q1 2021. About token model. Gaming token. The burn token is zero as a gambling token within the BlockBurn gaming network. It is set to disrupt the online gambling industry by creating a decentralized gaming network. With the burn token as its currency, it will be at the forefront of a new era of online gaming, one that is the nexus between games and cryptocurrency holders. In order for players to participate in multiplayer matches, they must deposit burn tokens into the wallet address of their gaming app. The funds can be used as waivers in multiplayer matches or tournaments. The winner of each match will win the collect pool of burn tokens. About IL, we will be raising funds through an IL for the purpose of furthering development and project expansions. Please note that the funds raised are non-for-profit and will be allocated as follows: product development 50%, marketing 20%, exchanges 10%, token buyback and or token burning 20%. Token distribution. Token distribution is laid out as follows: community 45%, marketing 10%, IL 15%, officer 5%, reserve 15%, and marketing 10%. Game design. The game flow has been designed with user intuition as a guide. The gaming experience involved around a reward system with clear set goals. This flowchart gives a basic idea of the flow of the game. Launch game consists of the register page, login page, continuous engage. Go to main menu with character design, customized sets and models. With PvE PvP, we can select whether 1 versus 1, 2 versus 2, or 1 versus 1, 2 versus 2 in PvP. Pre-game or by lottery. The game ends, and from main menu, fee loss, fee 1, and after action report, game ends. About main menu. From the main menu page, users are presented with a number of options. From main menu, wallet creation, wallet management and exchange marketplace. Players are able to create a new wallet and manage their existing wallet by navigating to the wallet management page. The wallet management page also as an extension of the marketplace. This layer value of the bond token will be instrumental in supporting the overall value of burn. From main menu to character customization. Navigating to character customization room allows players to customize their character to their liking, includes customizing body type, skin color, hairstyle, and coloring. From main menu to game mode selection. The main screen showing in the center of the main menu is the gaming mode selection screen. This is a starting point for players to begin their quest to victory. The BlockBurn lottery. It gives players a chance to get lucky and win the jackpot. The current running jackpot amount is intuitively displayed at the bottom of the page. Players go towards winning in try tokens to the lottery by winning bottom match. How does a winner picking work? The system that picks the actual winner is extremely simple. Every entry token counts as one participant. This means that someone with 7 entries is 7 times more likely to win compared to someone with only 1 token. Free game lobby. This section contains waiting area, option to quickly customize your character, spectate on the other player's task, invite option, progression status towards achievement, and chat. Lobby. In the lobby is where the player can either invite friends play with or to wait until an opponent has been found. When teammates or enemies have joy found, the player can hover over the teammates' enemies and see a statistic of that particular person. Gameplay. The BlockBurn game will be an interactive arcade-style shooter game comparable to games like Brawlhalla. Players can use two different attacks, quick and heavy. Quick attacks are fast and don't cost a lot of damage, whereas heavy attacks take more time to execute but will give the opportunity to run of their money. This includes the mechanic to try and get the other player out of screen bonds. The more damage a player receives, the farther they be thrown back when hit. Once you diminish all their lives by doing this, you win the game. After the game, this block contains games result, won or lost, statistics, progression, achievements, lottery ticket gain if requirements are met, token distribution, statistics option, kill count, death count, assist count, objective partition count, overall damage then count, overall damage received count, and time players. We have some example. Mike and John want to enter the PvP mode. They have notified that the winner will take both interface. Interface in the case is 5 tokens. Both interface will be collected and stored temporarily. Now 10 tokens. Mike wins. Mike has 8 tokens. John 0 tokens and Jackpot 2 tokens. Note: Jackpot system on the way take X% of the pot. In this case, 20%. 8. Customization panel. We have choose the hair, facial hair, eyebrow, eyes, nose, mouth, ear of this of characters. Subsystem. The reward and incentivize players for holding the bone tokens. We decide a system to use their bonds as a spendable currency while also store value. This is representation of BlockBurn exchange game. To add this idea, players will be able to choose the time period in which player tokens are held in the lock wallet before being to sell the token back to the game. So if you were to buy a particular item, you will be given the choice of how long the token will be locked away for a week, month, year, you name it. For example, if you buy a weapon, you either pay 5 bone tokens for a week lock, 4 for a month lock, and 1 for a year lock. After that time, you get the option to sell your weapon back in turn for 5 for 1 burn that you spent in the first place. Tiles. To encourage players to spend more burn, a tile system integrates in the customization panel will assign varying values of different levels to cosmetic customization. Think for example of tin, bronze, silver, gold, platinum, and diamond. 5. Roadmap. The mobile gaming industry is a competitive one, with such widespread growing interest in gaming and gambling. For a new game to be a success, there are a number of important factors that must be met. The below gives a basic outline of roadmap we will be following in the next year. January 2020. 5 scope of game design. February. Launch of upgrade website, release of MVP, partnership with gaming company. 3. February 2020. Burn Fox and Token Swap IL top exchange listing. March. Share final UX UI designs for menus. Start game development. In May. Share animations FX. In June, start crypto API integration for wallet and transaction. In July, finishing final UI character builder. August, Dev release Android and iOS. September, finishing up gameplay part with AI. Start multiplayer integration. In October, implement test result menu and play game offline. November, finishing up multiplayer integration. December, implement test results menu and gameplay online. In 2021 January, testing game with the BlockBurn community. And February 2021, publishing first version of the Burn game. Okay, that's all about the white paper of BlockBurn. I think you have more information about this project. Thanks for watching. See you next video.